break my bones till all my scars bleed golden.
You fucker. That's my fucking stick, dude.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Can You Clap Bomb It? Question mark. As talked about in episode 1, this is about getting away from the dipsy doodle lane towies, getting lit up at the blue line, and and all about the clap bombs. Anyway, guys, on this episode, it's an exciting one, okay? We're gonna be clap bombing Coca-Cola. Also, Coca-Cola, you owe me money. It's great to have you sponsor this video. I'm just kidding. I have no sponsors. I'm broke. I have no money, and I'm really running out to do this. Or if you need maybe pay, someone sponsor my videos, please! Last week, if you watched the video, you saw we were clap bombing watermelons. It was a great success. We absolutely smashed the mother out of those watermelons. Anyway, today we're clap bombing soda. So come here, I'll show you the set real quick, huh? So we got 4 2-liters here on the ground. Those are supposed to be the big bombs, you know what I'm saying? Those are supposed to make the boom boom, the big one, the get them going, the one that maybe will nuke the house next door. Okay, then we got these little guys. These are more accuracy challenges up top, you know? If you can hit them with clap bombs, we'll definitely, hopefully destroy them. But we'll see what happens. We've got 6 hanging cans, 4 2-liters. It's time to go to work and see if this thing is clap bombable. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think?
What are you thinking, bud? Huge success after last week. Exploded a couple watermelons. What's the prediction this week?
I mean, the smaller ones are going to be a little tougher, and I don't know what the explosion's going to look like, but they're definitely going to get destroyed.
You think so?
Yeah.
No doubt they're all clap bombable.
Yeah.
What do you think, bud? You think you're going to have the biggest clap bomb 2 weeks in a row?
I'm going for it. The last week I overestimated the toughness of the watermelon. Not doing that again. These stand no chance.
These stand no chance? That's your prediction.
No.
But you're gonna disintegrate. Do you think that the 2-liter will be empty when you hit it? It's just gonna empty itself out.
It's gonna go to the moon.
To the moon. So I'm sure people have noticed by now, guys. I'm sure you've noticed by now. Sorry about it. We're missing someone this week. We're missing Haley Wynn.
That's definitely where I was aiming. I just wanted to show up the boys so they didn't pick on me.
There's a lot of trips going back and forth between you and Haley last week. So like, what's the dynamic gonna be like without her? You have no one to push you, really.
I know. I mean, I basically have real estate in her brain 24/7, always in her head. So,
do you think she'll win 1 clap bomb the entire summer?
she'll win. Oh, that's tough. Maybe eventually. I don't know. Maybe if, like, some of the boys aren't here.
All right, you ready? Youngest to oldest? What did it? Call your shot. Tell me which one.
One on the right stump.
Right stump?
Yeah.
That guy? All right, let's see it, bud.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on, boy.
Is that goal regulation size or what? Jeez!
This kid. This is
That was a tough first go.
If this was an accuracy competition, we'd all be in trouble. All right, but I just want to say before we do it, last week I was showing the youngins how to do it. Tommy had a little bit of accuracy issue right away. I'll show him how to do it for you. Sorry, Tom, don't mean to show you up, bud. But check it. Just kidding, I was dead center of the net.
Did you hit the wood?
Yeah.
Yo, go get the coat.
Oh! Shit. Where's the coat? Oh, boy.
Oh my god, it didn't break.
What the fuck? This thing's about to explode, bro. This thing's about to explode.
Jesus, put it
it's
up,
not
put it
clap bomb. I don't know. I'm telling you, dude.
How do you feel? You smoked one, but it didn't
Dude, I
break.
smoked it. It didn't explode. Like, I don't know if these are gonna be clap bombable today. Like, this is a tough test, I think. The 2-liter plastic, they're making it thicker than they used to. Making it thicker than they used to, you know
Why
that?
would they do that?
Because they're trying to save.
That wouldn't be safe.
I missed the net.
Did you just hit the fucking right net?
Jesus Christ.
Oh my, did that just bounce back here? The puck just almost hit you. Dude, I'm telling you.
This is not good.
Dude, these things are tough, bro. Look at you, ripped the fucking, you ripped the plastic off of it. This is not good. Boys, we gotta hit the weight room, eh? Oh my, it didn't go down. Is it still completely fine?
It's still completely fine.
It's like fizzing.
Bro, we all gotta hit the weight room, eh? Gotta hit a couple extra bench press reps, huh?
I haven't hit it yet.
Oh, true.
When I hit it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit! You were right! That was so sick!
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be some cleanup I did not think about. Holy sh, dude, that was a bomb! It actually exploded. I guess you were hitting on a couple extra reps on the bench press, huh?
I tell ya.
All right, so what I've gathered from our shot so far is that these things are tough to clap bomb, but when you do, it's actually lethal. Like if you're standing next to that, you might have lost a leg. That's not even a joke.
Did I go in the road in the air?
Yeah, that thing crossed the road.
So for those of you who didn't see, what just happened?
I just shot it and ricocheted off the Coke bottle. Ricochet.
And landed over by that white pole in the air.
You go find it real quick. Dude, honestly, these Coke bottles are putting up a real tough fight.
Gotta look both ways.
Yeah, kids, you watching, kids? Look both ways, right, left. Now we're going. It's actually.
Yeah.
That's bad. That literally just bounced 50 yards in the air.
That could have f***ing destroyed a car. I'm pretty sure there were cars passing at the same time.
There were cars passing. All right, well, clearly I'm fucking weak.
Dude, stop knocking them over. Oh, you skimmed it again.
Set it the fuck up. Set it the fuck up. I'll tell you what, I've hit that one about fucking 3 times. This time it's going down. Huh?
All right.
It's like a fucking cat. 9 lives? I don't fucking know.
There you go, there you go. Oh my god!
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home? That's your home!
Oh my. Where did it go? Again?
Let's sweat, I'll break my bones till all my scars bleed golden. My name's
Oh my god!
You gotta get him shaking up that much. Did you hear how loud that?
Dude, oh my, dude, that literally touched the tree.
Look at it.
It's destroyed.
See, look at you have to hit it like above the label. Then it's gonna pop.
Dude, that's a clap bomb.
Shake these things.
Dude, that was
He like started ducking. Like Casey like hit the one and actually like got scared because it was so loud.
Oh.
Ah!
Can't get it, eh?
I've hit it like 6 times. I think it's this guy, you know. Can't get the ultimate torque on it. Maybe it's my shoe choice. I don't know. Bricks might be hurting me.
You fucker. That's my fucking stick, dude. Come on, dude.
Dude, it was already repaired. Listen. Dude, the fucking bottle's talking to me up there. I'm trying to freaking heat it up with the clap bomb. I catch a little bit too much freaking skill pad. This is what happens. Dad is gonna literally hate this, this show. Guys, now I definitely need a sponsor because I don't have any sticks.
Oh.
Got that one. Oh, are you kidding me?
You gotta hit it higher.
I'm sweating so much right now.
God damn, right? It sucks.
One eternity later.
I'm so nervous I'm gonna break my stick. Ah! Come on, man.
The shoe's coming off.
It's never gonna get it.
bang bang, you won't stop till we let you.
I did it!
Won't stop till we let you.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, I like buffalo, sorry. Holy shit, I just got a migraine, I was trying so hard. This is victory.
So you won't pour it all over yourself. Don't. Oh.
That's stupid.
Oh, I got on my jersey.
Stupid. Anyway,
And in your hair.
Did it?
Yeah.
Gotta go. Oh! I tried not to get in my hair. But you said you won't pour it all over yourself. So I had to do it. I mean, like, you can't tell someone that they can't do something and then not expect them to try it. Like, who the fuck are we? Fucking bunch of
Yeah.
I called that.
Some of this.
Oh!
He'll take the fourth. He'll take the fourth.
Oh!
I think I just cut the string.
Dude, holy splash.
After one broken stick, me realizing I definitely have to hit the weight room because my cleft bomb is weak, but finally getting it. We have realized that Coca-Cola, the 2 liters and the cans, they're tough, but they are most definitely clap bombable. So guys, thanks for tuning in to episode 2 of Can You Clap Bomb It? Question mark. Coca-Cola is officially clap bombable. Suggest anything you would like below in the comments. We want some more ideas, so keep them coming, people. Case! Looks like you have the biggest clap bomb of the day, but it is up to you to decide. You let us know who had the biggest clap bomb in the comments below. Thanks for watching, people. Until next time. Peace.
A little sunshine, cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel that.
First of all, Casey, you stink. Second of all, I'll be back next week, week 3, taking it all home.
Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I'll be running cause I figured out the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind.